Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to Uncle Leo's Story Time. Have you ever heard the expression, don't count your chickens before they're hatched? It's a very important expression. It means don't plan on something, don't make big plans anyway, unless you're sure it's really going to happen. Let's listen to this story about a man who actually did count his chickens before they were hatched. It's called A Man and His Chickens. A man had a chicken, and it laid 6 eggs in its nest. The man looked at the eggs and counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Soon I will have 6 new chickens. Imagine what I can buy when I sell these chickens, he thought. Yes, I will sell those 6 chickens. Then I will go to the shoemaker and ask him to make new shoes for me. The man was very excited. The man went to see the shoemaker. Make me a new pair of shoes, he said, and I will give you 6 chickens. The shoemaker agreed. A few days later, when the man went to check his eggs, he saw only broken eggshells. Oh no, he exclaimed. A fox had come in and eaten all his chicken eggs. The man began to cry. He had counted his eggs, not chickens. So remember, boys and girls, this is a very important lesson to learn. Don't count your chickens before they're hatched.